Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another What I Eat in a Day video. Thank you so much for joining me. September has hit. We are there, guys. It is officially the bear months and I love them so much. It's my favourite time of year, not just to kind of socialise and just exist, but also for cooking and for eating and for baking. Like, honestly, I shine in the autumn and winter when it comes to my cooking and baking. So I'm so excited to have you guys join me for What I Eat in a Days, whether it be at home like today or in the office, out and about. I just love the autumn winter season. Anyway, I hope you're all well. Thank you so much, by the way, for all of your comments and likes and engagement on my recent videos. I love to film them. If you guys would like to see more of these from me, please leave a comment. Don't think you're being repetitive. I love to hear from you guys. I love it when you say hey, and it helps me with the algorithms and it helps me create this content for you guys. So yeah, keep that coming and thank you. So today is a Sunday and I was going to go to the farmer's market this morning, but unfortunately my plans fell through, so I didn't end up getting there. But what that did mean is that I was about to dash out of the house, so I didn't actually have breakfast this morning. I just had a coffee. If I'm honest with you, a lot of the time, if I'm not hungry, if I don't wake up thinking I need to eat, I don't tend to have breakfast every single day. Like, if I'm in the office, I'll probably take some fruit or some yogurt just to kind of, because I'm up a lot and I'm doing a lot of steps and I feel like I need it. Whereas days when I'm at home and I'm waking up a bit later, I don't always feel like it's necessary. So if I'm hungry, I'll get up and eat. But if I'm not, I'm likely to kind of hang in there till lunch, and that's what I've done today. So I got up, I had a coffee, which was delicious, and then now I've just popped some bacon in, some streaky bacon, and yesterday I picked up a baguette, which was still warm when I brought it home. So I literally was putting away the groceries yesterday and I had my little Lurpak and I was literally just eating hot bread and butter whilst putting the shopping away. I hope I'm not the only one who does that, that just cannot resist hot bread or warm bread when it's presented itself to me. Even if it's not time to eat, I will munch on it. But anyway, I have some of that bread left over, so I thought a bacon butty is just what the doctor ordered for lunch. And then for dinner tonight, I am making a smoked garlic and chicken pasta bake, which I'm so excited about. You guys will have seen in my last What I Eat in a Day that I picked up a head of smoked garlic, and I have been waiting to use it, and I'm so happy. So I'm going to do like a pasta dish, tomato sauce with rigatoni and cheese and garlic, and it's going to be so comforting. It's going to be so delicious, and again, ideal because it's rainy, it's cold, it's grey, and you know, we're in that time of year now where comfort food is the winner. So I'm just going to get started. I hope you all enjoy it. Outfit wise, very basic because I'm in the house today. I just have my little Levi's top on, my little t-shirt with this like little like, it's kind of layered. I really like it, especially for this time of year. It's really nice. And I have it on with my new Nike, what are these called? Jogging bottoms. These are really nice. The only thing I will say about Nike is that they're quite oversized. So I've got these in a size 4 to 6. Now I am a size 6 to 8. I would say more an 8 on the bottom. So, and they're still quite oversized. So that's just something to bear in mind. I will link them because I know I get a lot of questions about my outfits and I'm so bad about. If anyone knows about a good affiliate place for me to join, I need to look into something like that because I should start adding links because a lot of you guys asked me for them. And I know I got asked, not in my last What I Eat in a Day, the one before it, when I was wearing that raisin brown coloured shirt at work. I got so many questions about that shirt and asks for the link. I will try and get better at adding links. I just need to find a program that works. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment and say hey, because I love hearing from you guys. Like, please leave comments because I just love it so much. It shows me that you're engaging, you're liking it, and it, you know, it just is lovely. It brightens up my day. So yeah, anyway, let's go and get some food and see where the rest of the day takes us. that smoked garlic that I would make my own garlic bread. So I wanted to nip to the bakery and get a little loaf. So I picked up this loaf of bread and I'm going to make my own smoked garlic bread. Whilst I was there, I also picked up some heirloom tomatoes for the sauce that I'm going to make that I popped open. These are called the, oh, what are they called? The Santini tomatoes, and they come in like little different colours, and this is ideal for pasta sauces, so I'm very excited about those. I also needed some maple syrup, so I got some organic, I don't think this is the organic one actually, this is the Canadian maple syrup. Last time I got the organic one and it was really good. I needed some vanilla, so I just picked up some vanilla. And then I am going to make my own sauce, but this did give me a bit of an idea because I wanted to add capers and aubergines, but I don't have any, so I thought I'm going to add a little bit of this sauce to those tomatoes, and hopefully it'll be nice, we'll see. It's now time to make dinner, and I've got the skinless chicken breast set aside. I just couldn't fit it in the shot here, but I have my pasta here, which is some, I think it's rigatoni, I think it's called. Some shiitake mushrooms, the bread that I'm going to use to make the smoked garlic bread, and the smoked garlic is here. Some of that will be going in the sauce, and some of that will be mixed with some butter, salt and pepper to be spread onto this loaf. Have some basil here, some beechwood smoked diced pancetta. I'm going to use this aubergine and olive oil and wild caper tomato pasta sauce. Also adding in these heirloom Santini, is it Santini? Yep, Santini tomatoes, and I also have some chopped tomatoes here as well. When it comes to veggies, I have an onion and a pepper as well. So I'm just going to start with chopping the veg, and then once the sauce is pretty much made, that's when I'll turn my attention to doing the cheesy garlic bread. So yeah, skinless chicken breast is obviously free. A lot of this is just veg and tomatoes, which will of course be free as well, but make sure that you check your jars. Oh, and I'm also going to put a bit of authentic vine tomato paste in there as well, because this is also has blends of garlic and other flavours as well. So that I'm going to pop a spoon or two of that in as well. Simmering on a low heat, so I thought it was a good time now to start making the garlic bread. So I have some butter in this pestle and mortar, I think that's what it's called, I always get the name wrong, and I have this loaf from M&S, which is a lovely farm loaf, which I'm very excited about. And I'm literally going to, what's the best way to do this, Andy? Down the middle, or do you reckon it's just slices? Then you can have some for work tomorrow.
I don't know.
Would you have some of this sort of bread for work, or is it a bit thick?
Might be a bit thick.
Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go down the middle here, and we'll just make two really lovely garlic breads. So I have my smoked garlic here. I'm going to put about 3 cloves, which is quite a lot, but it's garlic bread at the end of the day, so you want a decent amount. And I'm going to pop those in. I'm going to mix it with the butter with some salt and pepper, and then I'm just literally going to spread it on the bread, pop some cheese on top, and then whack them in the oven and hope for the best. And then the rest of the smoked garlic, which I took the head off mistakenly, I'm going to pop in these handy little storage things that keep everything fresh. These are absolutely fantastic. Like, I love them. So easy to keep your veg nice and fresh. Guys, I don't even think you understand that pasta. So it's the next day now. Sorry I didn't say. But last night I was in such a food coma after that pasta that I just fell asleep on the couch. Very, very happy girly. I ended up having a piece of cake as well. A neighbour had made, I think it was like a cranberry and vanilla cake. It was delicious. I had a slice of that. The slice you saw on the plate, Andy and I shared it, so we didn't have that full slice. But that pasta, I cannot tell you how much I enjoyed it. We never have a pasta bake. It's so rare that we do, but we really did enjoy that. So I would definitely recommend it. And those sauces from M&S were just, honestly, it tasted like I'd been slaving over the stove for hours, for absolute hours. So I would definitely go and check them out. Check out the smoked garlic, that made such a difference. And yeah, it's great for this kind of cozy season that we're heading into, or that we're very much into now. It's been absolutely chucking it down all day, so we've hunkered down, we're all cozy, and dinner is on already. We're having Korean chicken tonight, which I'm very excited about. It's sticky, it's sweet, flavorful, and yeah, I hope you're all enjoying these videos. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next one.